Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you how to easily recover permanently deleted files and folders on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. So for this, you will first need to open the Microsoft Store app and download this Windows File Recovery app from Microsoft. Once you have downloaded it, open it. Now here you should see a command prompt like interface. Now to recover your file, you will need to use the single line command. So start by typing winfr. Now hit space. Now you'll need to type in the letter of the drive where the file was stored. So in my case it was stored in the C drive, so I'll type in C colon. Now hit space again. Now you'll need to specify where you want to recover the file. So if your file was previously located in the C drive, you can't restore it in the C drive itself. You will need to pick a different drive. So let's just select D drive. If you don't have another partition, you can also insert a USB flash drive. Once you have specified the recovery drive, hit spacebar again. Now type in /n. Now hit the spacebar key again. Type in asterisk. Now you will need to specify the format of the file. So if it was a PNG file, you can type in .png. If it was a JPEG file, you can also type a JPEG. In my case, it was a PDF, so I'll just go ahead and type in PDF. Now once you have entered this command, all you have to do is hit enter. Now it will ask you for your confirmation. You need to enter Y to confirm. Now once the scanning is complete, simply head to the recovery drive that you have specified in your command. Now here you should see a folder named recovery. Now depending on the files you have previously deleted, you will see all the files here, not just the one you are looking for. Once you find your file, you can delete the rest of the files from here. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.